Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made these beef burger patties and roast potatoes. Actually, this recipe was taught to me by my mother-in-law. So guys, let's get started. So guys, that I didn't start from the beginning. So here is my minced meat, about 500 grams. What you're seeing here is breadcrumbs that I soaked in water. Look at it. Bread that I soaked in water. This is how my mother-in-law taught me how to make patties. So here is it. I wonder what kind of bread I use. This is the kind of bread I use. You can use any kind of bread you have. See, it doesn't have to be fresh because we'll have to soak it. So this is the kind of bread I soak. I'm going to be adding bit by bit, not much, into the minced meat. Look at the breadcrumbs. And mix together. I'm not going to add much so it doesn't overshadow the meat. So I'm just going to mix with my hands now. You just have to be careful not to add too much. I don't like too much bread inside. So after mixing everything together now, I'm going to add the other ingredients I would like to add into this mixed mix. So these are the other ingredients I will be using in my patties. Here is my zucchini, eggs, 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg, it doesn't really matter, but I love using more than one to make it fluffy. I like my beef steak to be a bit soft. My son loves it when it's softer. Then I'll just be using half tomato. You can use full one if you want. Some carrots, a clove of garlic, onion, my extra virgin olive oil, my salt, and you can add in a bit of stock cube. It's not necessary. Most times I don't even add because being it for kids, I don't like using stock cube too much for them. So I think this is basically all I'll be adding in here. I'm just going to clean these vegetables up now, slice them in here, mix with the egg. In fact, I'm going to show you guys. Also, I'm going to be adding some black pepper too. This is black pepper. So here's my minced meat. See, I'm just going to grate in the zucchini. I'm using a grater. See, I like mixing it with vegetables so it will be nourishing and nutritious. So I said to add in half of those vegetables in order for it not to overshadow the meat too. Next, I'll be dicing in my garlic. This is my clove of garlic. Adding in some black pepper. Dicing in my onion now. Next, a bit of tomato. I'm going to mix everything together now. Salt. My eggs, I'm going to break them in now. Then my olive oil. I'm going to add in good amounts of quantity. I don't really have measurement for this, but I'm just going to add in a good amount. I just want to add everything at once so I can mix them all together at once. So next, I'm just going to mix everything. My hands are washed, don't worry guys. Everything together. They all blend together. So guys, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of stock cube. Like I said, it's not compulsory, it's optional. So you see the tiny one I'm adding. I'm going to spread it in and mix very well. I'm going to mix everything together. My little boy is here really disturbing me so bad. A bit more oil because I really like it fluffy. I don't like it to be dry. I make sure the whole vegetables and all the ingredients are mixed evenly. So next step is to put it in shape and get it into the oven. So guys, next step, this is the pan I'll be using for my beef steaks. I like greasing the pan first in order for the beef not to stick to it. Next step, I'll be taking the beef portion by portion and I'll just roll it in between my palms like this and put it on the pan. You can do it to any shape of your choice or anyhow you want it to be. You can even flatten it like a pizza. So this is the shape I gave it. This is the shape I'm using. So guys, they are ready and ready to be put in the oven. But before I put it in the oven, I'm just going to add a bit of potatoes so we can have it with some potatoes. So potato has been washed. I will just dice it bit by bit into the pan like this. This is the final stage before it goes into the oven. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of salt on top of it, especially because of the potatoes, because there's already salt on the beef steak. I'm going to add in a bit of oregano, sprinkle a bit of oregano on top too. I like using oregano, or you can use rosemary, whichever one you have. Then after that, this is very essential oil. So we put oil on top. We don't want a dried beef steak. She's in my place. She wants to be with me when she's feeling high rate. And it's ready to go into the oven now. So guys, as you can see, I already set my oven on 180. So I will leave this to cook for another an hour 15 minutes or an hour 30 minutes. Guys, as you can see, they are taking shape. I just turned them over. They started going brownish. Looks nice, right? So guys, it is ready. As you can see, are you seeing the color? My oldest son loves this so much and it's really yummy. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.